Handed out partying with Mike.
Like Aaron. I'm fucking naked!
No, you're not. You're boxers.
Get out of here!
You have boxers on.
I do not have fucking boxers on.
Yes, you would because Dan and Aaron. Well, you wouldn't just be sitting
I am
here.
butt ass naked. Oh, he seems naked.
You guys have been
What the fuck? Why would you guys sneak up on me like that? What's wrong with you?
You're talking over.
I did?
What
the fuck?
What the fuck, guys?
Whatever. You guys don't plan that. You guys do really.
Yeah.
We thought you weren't coming.
Why?
Because you took forever.
We told you we were coming.
We figured come soon. Oh gosh.
That's really funny. Then why did you let us in to get naked?
Well, I didn't remember that. I was laying down.
I saw you, I was like,
naked?
Aaron. Yeah. We don't say anything. It's kind of awkward. We just sit there and bullshit.
You are sick. You are disgusting.
Have you ever slept naked?
No.
It's quite relieving.
All right.